In today's video, we're going to look at how to find the best Clickbank products to promote, make money in 2021. So as you can see, we're on Clickbank's home page now. I'm assuming that if you're searching for the best Clickbank products to promote, you've probably got an account with Clickbank. Now, if you haven't, just go over here to the top left corner and click on sign up. Clickbank is one of the oldest original affiliate networks on the internet. They've had products that are basically digital, downloadable, and maybe some courses and things, but predominantly digital products for most of that time. And of recent, they now have some supplements that are listed. So we're going to have a look. There are many ways you can search for products, but I'm going to show you how I find products to promote. Now, I first heard of Clickbank nearly 15 years ago and signed up for an account about 15 years ago. So I've been on Clickbank for a long time. Look, if you're new to the channel and maybe you've watched some of my other videos and you like the content, or you want and you just want to get notified when I post new videos, if you just go down below, hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, hit the bell icon, you'll get notified when I post new videos. So I do them pretty regularly, but so you get updated, click the bell icon and that red subscribe button and you'll get notified. All right, so let's move on and have a look at how to find the best Clickbank products to promote, and of course to make money in 2021. Before we move on, I just wanted to show you this website. I don't know whether you've heard of it. It's called CB Engine. There is a free version, and you can access more information if you pay. Have a look here. They list the top vendors. They give you the gravity and delta as well. That's something that they work out, the delta. I don't know how they do it. Actually, it's a share market terminology. So you can have a look here. It's got Clickbank's new products, the biggest gains, the product that's increased the most in the last, I'm not sure what the time frame is, maybe 30 days. As you can see, it lists them here. These are new products. It gives you the commission, the gravity, and you can go straight to the website from there. And yeah, so it's pretty interesting. You can go to the top gravity. You can go to categories. Categories are removed. Have a look if it's something that might interest you anyway. I see Ted's Woodworking still up there. So just thought I'd mention that, throw it out there if you haven't seen it. It's another way to do some research with all the products together in one place. So that's CB Engine. So what we're going to do now is go over to the marketplace, Clickbank's marketplace. And I'm not signed in, easier that way, but because I don't want to get hop links, so it doesn't bother me. So what you can do, you can go down here. Now look, there are a lot of categories. You can see arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing, computers and internet, cooking, e-business, education, employment and jobs, and it goes on, home and garden, health and fitness. A lot of these categories I don't touch. Now, so what are the top categories to sell? What are the best products to be able to sell to make money? Well, the top three niches or categories are health, wealth, and relationships. So they come under e-business, health and fitness. And yeah, so I always look for something in those categories. And when I say evergreen, what I mean by evergreen for a start is they sell all year round. They're not seasonal products, like they're not for Christmas or they're not for snow skiing or something, which might go for 2 months and then you're going to sell nothing for the rest of the year. And they're not what we call product launches. There are some products that get listed on here and they're only listed for a short time. They might do a product launch, they market it really big, but it's for a limited time. It might be there for 2 weeks and then after that they close it. So you can promote them if you want, but But what I'm saying is you want evergreen products, knowing when you promote them, they're going to be there this year, next year, the year after, and that the products sell year round. So one way is that you can just go to the categories and click on the category, like I just did, e-business and e-marketing, and open that up and go into the subcategories. And then you can just filter through them here. Like this filters here, if you're looking for a launch product, you might, or not so much a launch product, but if you're looking for something that's new that you like to have a look at and think you might be able to get on a wave with it, you can go across here and filter that slider bar there by the day, how long it's been added in the last month or so, or you can leave it on the default. You can set for average commission. Maybe you can slide that across to maybe $20, $30, or you can filter by gravity. Now what this has done here, by just clicking on e-business, it's opened them up and ranked them in order of rank. Now you can change that, as you can see. You can change by the average conversion, you can change by initial dollar payment, or you can filter by gravity. So if you have a look down here, just to explain a couple of these things. So your initial conversion for this product here, I have no idea whether it's any good. I haven't looked at it. Is $28. Recurring is 13. So gravity of 168. What that means is 168 affiliates have made at least one sale of the product in the last 30 days. So you can, as I say, you can change how that filters. Up to you. Gives you the category it's in, and it's important really too to make sure they got a JV page or an affiliate page, so that they give you everything that you need to be able to promote the product. And yeah, so that's one way you could do it. What I tend to like to do is just go back to the marketplace, and you'll see up here where it says find products, I like to leave the search box empty, and I click over here. Don't bother with the advanced, or I just click over here to the magnifying glass to search, and I click on that, and what that's going to do is going to filter the top products, not by category, just overall. So you'll get a mix of categories. So the top seller at the moment, this is search results are by rank. So the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, does that fall into health, wealth, and relationships? Yes, it does. Weight loss product. It's got a gravity of 467. That's not the be all and end all. And it will depend on how you're going to promote it. Now I'm going to talk about the method I use is using free traffic. So what I do here is just look for products. I'm not going to be using paid ads. If you're new, you don't want to be using paid ads either, unless you've specifically done a course. But a lot of people get their accounts banned when they're new, not knowing what they're doing, and they end up spending more for ads, sometimes 2 or 3 times more for ads than what they actually get back as an affiliate commission. So have a look at the sales pages, if they're the top selling product. So, they're going to have pretty good sales pages because it means they convert. So this is a weight loss. This is another weight loss product. This is a Trump, I think it was like a memento or something. Physical product conserves gunner. I did hear about it, but I haven't looked at it. It's no interest to me. It's just a diabetes product. The health again. Research is health. This is health again. So you can see health. Steelbite Pro's health. So health field features fairly highly. Ted's Woodworking. This has been around for many, many years. Sells really well. And, look there, still got a gravity of 200 after, 5, 6 or more years. And you'll make $64 on that. So, that's one way, or that's 2 ways that you can find the best Clickbank products to promote. And then when you do that, you then find Then you look at, well, how are you going to promote it? Are you going to use a blog? Have you got a blog? Are you going to start a blog? Or are you going to use YouTube? Or maybe TikTok? There's quite a few ways you can use YouTube, Pinterest, as I said, blogs, Instagram, TikTok. And have a look over here. This is just, I just did a search for woodworking on Instagram. Now what people are doing here is they're putting up niche sites specific on Instagram around an interest. It could be something to do with cars. In this case, it's woodworking. It could be something around keto diets. And so what they're doing, this person hasn't, but so they put this content up there, and then they put in a link back to the affiliate website where they can get paid. And it's working really well doing that at the moment with TikTok. You need 1,000 followers to be able to put a link in there. And Pinterest likewise, and YouTube channels specific to the niche as well, and you just put a link in your description. So pretty short video tonight, but yeah. So that's how to find Clickbank products to promote and make money 2021, 2022 and beyond. Now, if you haven't subscribed and you've got value and you want to find out when I post more videos, just hit that red subscribe button below and the bell icon, and you'll get notified. Now, if you look up in the top left-hand corner, there's a banner there that says get lifetime access. If you're interested in getting some software, which is a landing page software to be able to build a landing page or a sales funnel, you can get it for free. You can set up 3 complete sites for free. So the link, if you go to the video, click on that video, and then the link in the description will tell you how you can get access to that for free. All right, talk soon. See you in the next video.